Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add additional Microsoft accounts to your Windows 11 computer. So if you're looking to add different accounts, so if you want to add another email account to sync everything up, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just right click on the Windows Start button, so go right click on that and select Settings, so go select Settings. Select the accounts name over here on the left side. So go ahead and select accounts, and then on the right side you want to go ahead and select email and accounts. Up at the top here you can add a new account by just clicking on that, and you'll be able to add a new account to access your mail, calendar, people apps. So pretty straightforward, and then you just would sign into your email provider. And you can also add a Microsoft account here for other apps. So pretty straightforward process, like I said. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.